Yeah. So the Mandi Manali road is closed. It rained cats and dogs just before Mandi, like 10 kilometers before Mandi. Rained cats and dogs. I couldn't even put on my rain gear properly. I got a little drenched, but that's fine. GoPro got a little drenched, the Hero 9 with the mic setup. It's not waterproof. Oh my god. Now the weather has opened up a bit. Like if you can see there. Yeah. It's opened up a bit. On this side also it's looking like it's opening up. But कोई भरोसा नहीं. पहाड़ियों में मौसम की कोई भरोसा नहीं. It's still drizzling a bit, but not that much. So yeah, I'll put on my Hero 5 if possible now, if it has battery, because I don't want to just go to Manali. I don't know if I'm gonna reach Manali tonight, because the time is already like 5:30ish. So it's gonna take 3 more hours to reach Manali. Yeah. So I'll see what I can do. But the views are amazing. They're out of this world. Yeah, I'll see you on the Hero 5 or directly somewhere where I stay. Yeah, so welcome to the all neon look. This is neon, this is neon, this is neon. If you can hear me, that's great. Otherwise, just understand. Let's go. I think the mosam has opened up a bit. Just stopped at this place. Look at that view, man. So happy, but it's raining, it's drizzling, landslides have happened again. I could see some mini landslides that had happened on my way, but nothing, they were small, they've all cleared up. So happy being here. Bike is doing great. Okay, one light is not working. I should look at that. Yeah, I'll sort it out after I go to Manali. But yeah, going great. I'll fuel up. I can see a petrol pump right there. I'll go fuel up and then I'll get back to you. It's 9:30 in the night. I just reached Kullu, not even Manali. Manali is another 40 odd kilometers. My god, the traffic. I just found this nice looking restaurant and I just wanted to eat something. Yeah, I don't have energy left to ride till Manali, but I'll see what I can do. I'll see what I can do. If possible, I'll take a room somewhere here and stay for the night. Leave first thing in the morning to Manali. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you whenever I see you. This actually recharged me. इतने लंबे सफ़र के बाद एक चाय की चुस्की तो बनती है. Wow. I don't know if it's really good, लेकिन the way I'm tired, this is making it taste everything better. Paneer paratha. Look at the amount of dahi they give over here. Yeah, let's see you back on the road. So after all that adventure, all that traffic, finally looks like the weather is clear. Checked weather, Google weather. I don't trust it anymore. Still I checked it. It shows it's clear. It's a little cloudy, but it's fine. It doesn't rain. It won't rain, hopefully. And I reach Manali by at least 11:30. The Google says it's only 1 hour. I'm still considering all other factors. My intercom has very low battery. I don't know till when it's gonna last. Maps. Yeah, maps. Dalba maps. Jaldi जाना, जाको सोना अभी. Orchard Stripe. क्या है कि ऐसा 1 hour 34 minutes मैप इस दिखा रहा. करेंगे मैप को बीट करेंगे. 11:45 कहता है. चल जाता हूँ. ये बैलाक्लावा एक पूरा टाइट है. जिंगे चलो. You know, this bike has 4 aux lights and yet only one is working now. All these years of research, all these years of experiment to come to Leh, to come to Ladakh. These things happen. Only one light is working. That too I don't know till when it's gonna last. क्या जिंदगी भाई है. Please don't mind me, because I'm in a, I don't know what what mental state I'm in right now. I have to reach Manali. Okay, my head hurts so badly. See, only one aux light works. What? Yeah, only one is working. क्या जिंदगी है. ऐसा हो गया तो इतने साल ये लाइट वो लाइट. लद्दाख को गए तो ये अच्छा रहता, लद्दाख को गया तो वो अच्छा रहता. बोल को खरीद लिया दला लिया. हाँ, ये बाइक के ऊपर क्या नहीं तो भी ये 4th पैर. लद्दाख को आए जब पूरा हार्ड हो जाता. मनाली स्ट्रेट. इतनी शांति है देखो अब. ऊपर तारे नहीं बा, वो लाइटा. मैं देख तारे बोल रहा हूँ तब. You know, there are some probably buildings on that mountain there. I thought they are stars. पुल कहाँ है बा? छाया है, लाइट नहीं, क्या नहीं, चिपके वैसे पुल बोल डाले तो आदमी रहना मरना. If I'm sounding drunk, please don't mind, I'm not drunk. It's just that I'm in my very last stage of this day. Tired, pulling the clutch all evening. ಯಾರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ರೋಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತಿದಾರ ಇವಾಗ. मतलब there are 4 lights, there are 4 aux lamps on this bike, only one is working. I don't know till when. If I switch this off, like, this is absolutely useless. So this is Kullu district headquarters. Today was a nice experience, you know, I mean, not nice, but yeah, it was adventurous, like super adventurous. That traffic, my god, never experienced anything like this. And hats off to the cops, yaar. This is super scary, no? Why am I doing this? Kullu to Manali in the night at 10:30. What the fuck am I thinking? But let's do it. What do I have to lose? If the road is like this, I can even ride through the night. No, not jhalak like this. Like, the moment I said good roads, there I see a big pothole. Okay, if this vlog is very long, I'm sorry, but these vlogs are for me, yaar. You know, 5 years down the line, when I'm, you know, serious about life and stuff, I can always come back to watch these videos and recollect how reckless I was in life. What? Don't tell me the road is like this now. I'll find the next lodge and go sleep. मनाली रोहतांग ले चलो. I'll make this 2 parts. That will be best. Vlog भी लंबा खींचेगा नहीं और एक्स्ट्रा वीडियो भी आएगा. ಬ್ರೋ ಏನು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೋ ರೋಡು. ಕಿತ್ತೋದ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಇವತ್ತೇ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಕೈ? ಹಾಂ, ಇವತ್ತೇ ಕೈ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಲದಾಖ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಸಿದ ಲೈಟು ಲದ್ದಾಖ್ಗೆ ಕೈ ಕೊಡ್ತಲ್ಲ. ರೋಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳಿದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓಡಿಸಪ್ಪ. ಟಬಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳು ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ ಮೇಲಿಂದ. ಬಾಬೇಲಿ ಬನೋಯ್ಯ ಏನ್ ಬ್ರೋ ಅದು ಹೆಸರು? 35 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮನಾಲಿ. 35 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 35. ಎಸ್, ಜೈ ಹಿಂದಿ. क्या कर सकते? Oh my God. Okay, Himalayan. See, this is a fucking steep. This is super steep. Bro, ये बहुत ही दूर है bro. ये काफी दूर है ये. Hello, good morning to another vlog. The reason why I didn't end yesterday's vlog was I came in through this road. It's a small gully. My hostel is inside. I came with my bike, parked it here, twisted the handle, and then the bike conked off. No electrical response whatsoever. The same thing had happened in Hyderabad. Please don't judge me by how I look, okay? I still haven't brushed, freshened up, anything. As soon as I got up, I came to work on my bike. So yeah, as after handling this bike for almost 3 years, I think now I know a little bit about my bike. I guessed where the problem was, and I prayed to God that should be the problem. One of the fuses had gone, because in the front, one of the aux light that I told wasn't working. Actually, the wire had cut off. It's completely destroyed, and those two had joined and shot. So the fuse had gone. So first thing, thank God Royal Enfield provides you an extra fuse there. I put it there. The bike started. My God! As soon as I got up, I just came to work on my bike. Yeah, I'll see you how the day goes.